Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Onsted Elementary School in Onsted, Michigan, part of the Onsted School District. My first visit to the school, and just a beautiful morning. I got to interact with all the students K through 5 in 2 separate assemblies in the gymnasium right over here. And the main focus was on bullying, but looking at the heart first and really talking about, shining our light as it relates to how we treat ourselves and others. So I love this little mural, this poster board behind me. They got different signs all across the school trying to promote this positive atmosphere. And from the feedback that I got from both students and staff after today's programs, it was very, very, very positive. That something really hit home, really touched their hearts. And like I always say, if something touched your heart, that means you have a big heart. So now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat everyone around you, right? And we always have that choice. No matter what we've gone through, will go through, are currently going through. We know a big reason why bullying happens is that hurt people, right? But we can always turn that into healed people who heal people, right? Try to rise above the hate, that we rise by lifting others, and that if we can show love, sometimes we can maybe change someone's heart, help to heal their heart too. And if we understand from that perspective that maybe what they're doing, what they've said to us is because, deep down there's some pain that they haven't worked through yet, we can kind of change the angle of vision and start to really reach them at that heart level. We can also understand not just look at the heart first, but for this as well. I always talk about this in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hand had the letter M. I traced one of mine here. We have at least one in each hand, right? And sometimes a faint line connects, but this M stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt, upside down W, for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that concept, once we believe it, now we have to go out into this world and show that, right? Be the change that we want to see and really step up as the leaders that we know we can be. And here, the home of the Wildcats, they are really making that choice each and every day. I talked to some teachers after the assemblies. They said that their students are really trying to show that kindness, to really show that love. And it's not easy because, things will happen to us, and it's sometimes not always easy to have that positive attitude and to, stay kind when other people are treating you kind of meanly. But we know we can be those upstanders and not just a bystander or someone that's going to continue the bullying, but someone that's going to stop it, right? Be able to step up and say, hey, this isn't safe, this isn't respectful, this isn't responsible. Some of the paw points that they obviously stand for here at Onsted, and this is throughout the school as well. But just a reminder again that, we always have a choice. We always have a choice to uplift or to bring down. It only takes 2 seconds. Our hearts are as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into that, we can turn this into this, right? One finger ourselves, the other someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat them. So thank you again for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, though, and as always, have a great rest of the school year. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.